It has pockets.
They had to order it in for me.
They're fleeing.
Yeah, let's just hold ass behind.
Okay, hauling ass.
Good morning, happy Saturday. It is so windy outside. I'm gonna head downtown this morning for the hair washing spa thing that I scheduled several weeks ago. We're gonna be playing D&D later with some friends. So basically I'm gonna drive, try and beat the rain and not get blown off the highway because the wind is a bit bonkers. I don't know how much of anything I'm gonna be able to film. I hope they're super open to me taking pictures and filming and stuff, but otherwise I'll just debrief on what it'll look like. My hair actually doesn't look too bad today. I think the high bun that I fell asleep in, that I just threw up into a little messy bun before I showered, is always the best buns that exist, am I right? It's weird because you can hear it from our bathroom because it like goes through. I don't know, it's wild. We got a big Sunday reset to do tomorrow because it's all just chores need to happen. But for now, breakfast and then heading out.
That's looking pretty ominous. It's gonna be an interesting ride. Hopefully it doesn't hit my car. It's shaking. Oh my God. I made it and it's raining sideways. And by made it, I mean I've parked at a friend's and I am going to make the 20-minute trek in the nonsense weather right now, which is very exciting because it is full-on nonsense mode. It is incredible out there. The drivers were a wonderful experience in patience and reflex testing. I did actually dress well because I had a raincoat that I threw on over my parka and I had a hat, so I'm actually very warm, which is good, and I'm not too hot. What better time while it's absolutely wind whipping and pissing down rain to describe what I'm doing in downtown today. A couple weeks ago I decided at the beginning of Vlogmas, or even before that, I was going to do kind of a pamper month or just have this reset of doing nice things, relaxing, stuff like that. I found a Japanese hair washing spa, which I'd heard a lot about Korean hair washing spas. Oh, I need to go over. And basically they clean your scalp really well and they have a lot of like treatment and recommendations and different things like that. So basically I got a appointment for that I had to reschedule because originally I was going to do it last week, but then we did the Merry and Bright on the same day, which just felt like a lot of traveling around in the same day and, you know, driving that was just like unnecessary. So I figured I would spread it out a little bit. So basically this is what I'm doing. How many times can I say basically? Yeah, I just need to run because I'm going to be like 2 minutes late, but honestly not too bad given how much the weather turned and the fact that I drove and parked and got across some of the stupid downtown streets very efficiently in a car. I hope that audio was audible with the rain, the wind, and the cars. Here's the spa. Here we go. Hi. Thanks. Yeah, Alicia. I'll do that first. Very luxurious. I look like a crazy person right now. Wow, look at this place. Is that Jamon? Sure is. Okay.
You can have Siri there and just...
I'd love to be able to, but if it's going to disrupt you, I don't have to do anything.
We just have a neighbor next to us.
I take all the audio out.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
It's more of just like if I can put it down and like kind of
Yeah.
It's more of just direction. Sure. Like how often I should be washing my hair, like the no shampoos, how often to do a scalp. It's like the same with skin. Like there's too many options. I got a haircut 2 weeks ago, and they did a scalp mask because they were like, it's rough. I was like, oh, okay. So if you'd seen it before, I don't know what it looks like now, but they did some stuff then.
Okay, I'm seeing a little bit of kind of like a combination. So like your top up here, it's quite oily, and then towards the back, we're getting a little bit more dry.
Okay, but like
no, not at all.
that's
like,
good to know.
Yeah, I think in general, it's really just kind of surface that we have to worry about.
It's not that bad.
I don't feel like I want to recommend product quite yet. I would actually suggest a follow-up and just to see how your scalp looks the next time, because like the theory is that like everything that we use is perfectly pH balanced at a 5.5. So when it hits your skin, your body will metabolize it, because healthy skin is alkaline and slightly acidic. So we want like our general skin pH levels to sit around like a 5.7, 5.8. So normally when like you're very, very alkaline right now. So being on the oily side, you're super alkaline. Yeah. So we want to scale that back a little bit. So with everything that has touched your scalp today, hopefully your body kind of like takes that, metabolizes it, and like scale it back. I would say like you're sitting at like a 6. Okay. So we want to like pull that back a little bit more. How does your scalp feel?
Feels good, because normally by now I would like, when it's dry, right here is like a spot where I tend to just kind of like pick at it because it gets so itchy.
Right.
Yeah, and now I don't feel like I need to do that, which is good.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do hope like for the next like 48, at least, you know, 48 to 72 hours, like you feel consistently clean. From that is our treatment.
Great.
And yeah, do you have any questions for me?
No, I assume under the thing though, would it be less red now? Like, is that kind of what we would imagine?
I have time to.
Are you sure? Yeah, I don't want to hold you back, but I'm just curious about the before after. After she washed my hair. What a lovely experience, and I'm hiding all of my hair from the elements because it looks so fabulous. The camera might die. I asked Tommy to bring an extra battery, but I'm not sure if that one's fully charged either, so we'll see what else we get up to for the rest of today, but this was the main thing. Now we're just gonna go hang out with some friends.
Yeah, they're super teeny. How they managed to do that?
Was that it?
Yeah.
Yes, but it's also not. So I'm at the end.
I think this is a good size scrunchie for me.
I really like it.
Yeah.
Oh, I really like it. What size is the medium? It has pockets.
They had to order it in for me.
Our silver stuff.
You got caramel sauce.
Probably just like foggy and amazing. Because it's about to be dark, right? Like it's, what, 3 something?
Nice. So you both army crawl out. There's clattering around you. Actually, someone gets like pushed over your back, kind of like tabletop style, the way little kids would. Like you go up behind someone, you go poof.
Before I like blow myself out the antechamber door, anything
In the room?
no
Or
like, past the door? Like, are we hearing any like
right, make
more
a
kerfuffle outside?
Make a perception check.
18 again.
You a hot
again.
little boy.
You don't hear
Sorry,
any.
perception, don't matter.
You don't hear any sort of kerfuffle.
Just like normal noise. Street
Just
noise?
like, yeah, street noise. You can still hear the kerfuffle going on behind
For
you.
sure, for
but
sure. Okay, great. Then it seems like the exit is safe to exit.
Maybe like 50 meters in front of you, off
Feet?
to the left.
Meters.
Okay.
They are
Far.
They are flat
we running it?
flying.
Yeah, I think we should haul
Are we
ass.
following them?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like the only lead we have to go
Got
on,
it,
so
no,
I'm
for
like,
sure.
that's the, like, beyond now just stopping and walking up and down the streets of the town,
Trying to find, follow him.
us
Got it.
speaking to him is our best bet, I think.
Got it.
Mhm.
That's it.
Right. Okay. Hauling ass.
Hauling ass.
Are you calling after them at all, or are you
No.
just running?
Well, he's just, to me, I wouldn't, only because I would then assume that he wouldn't
Yeah.
know. He's like, they're fleeing.
Yeah, let's just haul ass behind.
Okay. Hauling ass behind. Easy enough to do. I don't really think there needs to be a roll involved here.